Hello everybody, for those who don't know me, I am Miss Haley and this is my model Olivia. Today we are going to be showing you how to prepare your hair and makeup for our recreational recital dances.
Okay, so Olivia already has naturally pretty straight hair. If your dancer has curlier or wavier hair, you're going to want to straighten their hair before you begin their ponytail. So to start, you're just going to pull the hair back into a nice high ponytail using a brush or a comb to ensure the ponytail is nice and smooth and to get rid of any lumps and bumps. Once you have secured your hair elastic, you're going to want to take a strong hold hairspray and spray a generous amount to the base of your ponytail. Then go back in with a comb to smooth out any flyaways or baby hairs to ensure a nice, sleek ponytail. Next, you're going to go back in with your straightener and smooth out the tail of your pony one last time to smooth out any kinks or bumps. If your dancer has a hairpiece to go along with their costume, make sure you secure it to the front of the ponytail so it can be seen. For dancers who require a bun, you are going to follow all of the steps to create a high ponytail before you can begin building your bun. To begin building a bun, you're going to take your bun builder and slide it through the ponytail to sit at the base. Then you're going to secure it with bobby pins. From here, you're going to split your ponytail in half and spread the hair so that it covers the bun builder. Secure with a hair elastic. Once the bun builder has been secured, you're going to gather the remainder of the hair, smooth it out with a brush, and then you're going to twist it around the bun to hide the hair elastic. You are then going to take your bobby pins and secure that hair down. Grab your hairspray and spray a generous amount all over your bun, and using your comb, go ahead and smooth out any flyaways. If your dancer's costume includes a hairpiece, you're going to go ahead and secure it to the front of the bun.